Hi, today we are going to talk about differentiation. Differentiation is a fundamental concept in calculus that deals with finding the rate of change of function. In simple terms, differentiation tells us how fast something is changing. It is helpful or useful for finding slope of the curve at any point. It also determines velocity or if position is given. It is also used for finding maximum and minimum values for real life problems. And it also shows a tangent of a curve at any point. Now we will discuss about the rules that we use in differentiation. So first rule is power rule. So d by dx x power n is equal to, if we differentiate that term, we get n x n minus 1. For example, simple term d by dx of 3, so that is x cube. I want to find the derivative of this term, so that would be equal to, that is n is 3, 3x, 3 minus 1 is 2. That is a simple rule. And now for derivative of constant is 0. For example, derivative of d of x of 7 is 0. Okay, now if we have a constant multiple, so what we will do? Constant multiple. Simply here we have constant multiple. So how we can solve it? For example, d by dx c dot f of x. So that would be simply equal to c times derivative of that value. For example, that value would be x is x square multiplied by 3. That will be equal to 3 into 2x. That would give us 6x. Now some differentiate rule. How, if there are two terms that are adding, we have to differentiate it. So simply, if that is f of x plus minus g of x, that is simply is equal to f dash of x plus minus g dash of x. We take derivatives of both and then add it. Now we will do one example, that is differentiate 5x cube minus 2x square plus 4x minus 7. So how we can differentiate it? We will just differentiate it by each term, that is 5x square. So that 3 will multiply by 5, 3 into 5, 3 minus 1 is 2, minus, that is x square, 2 multiply, that 2 will be multiplied by this value, and that will be equal to 2x, 2 minus 1 is only x, plus, what is the value over here? That is 1. Okay, if there is no value mentioned, that means it's 1. That would be equal to 1 into 4, 4x, 1 minus 1 is 0, so that is just a constant, and derivative of constant is 0, so that would be equal to 0, sorry, minus 0. So if we solve it, that will be equal to 15x square minus 4x plus 4, that is a derivative of this function. Now if you want to go deep into this topic, I am teaching online. My number is 092 370 35 11124, and my email address is danishirfansaddi5@gmail.com. Please subscribe, share with your friends, and hopefully I will see you in the next lecture. Thank you.